Hey, what's up everybody? This is Jeremy from Octane TV. This is our show, Custom Fab Garage, featuring how-tos, tutorials, builds, pretty much custom everything. We're also going to be doing reviews on this channel, featuring everything from car audio, custom builds, interiors, wraps, all that. So if you really like this episode, please give us a like and subscribe so that you can get all the new content daily.
Today we're going to be doing a video unboxing and a review of this jump starter made by Lifmocer. I would say it, but I know I'm going to say that incorrectly. So today we're going to be making a video on this particular product. It's going to be a review, kind of how to use it and what we think of it. And this is a jump starter. Stay tuned. We're going to unzip this, so we went ahead and unzipped all this, show you guys what's inside of this. This is made by Lifmocer. Want to get that brand correct. And then over here, this is your piece to jumpstart. So you got your two alligator clips, and both of these are heavy duty. They do not feel cheap. They do not feel like very small like some of the other ones. And then you have this heavy duty clip. So it shows on here what the indicator statuses are, like low capacity, reverse connection, high temperature. So it's going to show you that right there. And then it comes with this little part right here, and that's where it is right there. So it's going to show you, see, green is ready, blue is standby, and then it's going to show you these if you have any kind of problems right there when you plug this in. And this little part right here, this comes off and it covers that, which is really nice. None of the other ones I've ever done come with a cap to cover it. None of the other ones I've ever done have these type of indications right here. None of them have that. So basically when you connect this and it's blue, it's ready, but green, it is actually ready to start. So blue is kind of like a standby. It lets you know you have it connected. Green means you're ready to actually jump start. So if you have it blue, it's not gonna actually jump start it. It's just showing you that you have everything connected. And then when it's ready to go, you push, it'll be green, and then it'll be ready to be able to jump start the actual vehicle. So these are the alligator clips, and that's the plug right there. Comes with an instruction manual, which is really nice because a lot of companies nowadays don't even send you an instruction manual because they got to print it and send it off, so it shows you all the indications and everything inside of there. We can kind of go over that a little bit. And then in here, it comes with a USB Type-C to USB-A so that you can actually use it to charge this particular unit. So when it has a little thing right here, sorry about, I got some dust on here. This is to protect it from getting scratched from the alligator clips on the other side. And then when you open this up, it has a little foam piece in there, which is pretty cool. And then I still have the stickers on here, but when you turn it on, basically, yep, it's got 94% charge. It does have a light, which is pretty cool. Let me see if I can figure out how to turn that bad boy on. Probably on this side. Hold that down. How you turn on the light? I'm gonna have to figure that part out. In order to turn on the light, you just hold this down, probably about 5 seconds, boom, and then it comes on. And it works as a pretty good light. So that's actually pretty cool that does it. It also does a strobing effect as well, which is pretty cool. And then it turns that off. So that's nice that it actually has that, and that shows you your display of your percentage that you have on here. And then when you go over here, it's gonna have this part here that plugs into those. So you're gonna put your jump starter part right into here, and it can only go in one way because it's got this square part on that side. And that's got a little cover up part on it right there. And then on here, you've got your USB, USB-A, and USB Type-C. So basically you have two USBs and then your Type-C. So your Type-C is the in, that's what charges it. And then these two right here are USBs that you can use to charge like your phone, things like that. But you can only charge this with the Type-C. So that's how you would actually charge. That's why they give you this cable here, okay? So this is pretty nice. It is pretty big, it's heavy, it's bulky. And then on the back side here, it's gonna tell you some things like that as well, to where you don't wanna do. And then here's some of the specifications on it. It is it is a pretty big unit, 4000A. So this is a pretty big unit. It's supposed to be made for starting like larger trucks, things like that. We'll kind of show you a big truck that we're going to start this with to see if it'll start it from, and that truck is completely dead. So we'll see how awesome this thing is and how much at a 93% charge, we'll see how much this can bring a completely dead truck back to life. So we have to jump start that truck every time we go out there because it has a parasitic draw on it. So that's what we're going to do next is we're going to take it and we're going to put it on a truck, jump it, and that truck is completely like that battery is pretty much shot. So if it can jump anything and it can jump that, it can jump any truck. So this is the Gs400 model from this company here. Okay, so we're going to do a review on it. We're going to jump it, kind of let you know what we think. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this out of here. That's where you're going to be able to plug in the piece for it. And there's your USB 1, USB 2, and then the Type C. It has all three of those. That's awesome that it has those. So we're going to power this bad boy up. Ooh, 99%. So we're good. So we're going to take this and we're going to plug it in. Come here, Beavis. Stick it in there.
Stick it in the hole.
Here. So he's going to take that flap off. Gotta take off the rubber boot. And then boom. This one's really nice when it comes to that part. So we're gonna set that on there like he's done. We're gonna put the ground on the black one. And we're gonna put the power on the red one. And we're gonna turn it back on. I think it went, yeah. Okay, so we're at 99%. So this is blue, so it says it's ready. Is it showing it's ready? I mean, it's blue. So let's go around here to the truck. Sorry, it's dark and everything's dead. So he's gonna stick the key in. Hold on. So on the back here it says low capacity, jump starter, reserve connection, high temperature. So you held this little red button. So we held the red button. It's clicking green now. So let me show you. We're gonna go around here. This thing is dead, okay? So go around here. Oh, yeah, we got power. And he's gonna turn it. Oh, and it started! Holy moly, that is crazy. So we figured out how to get this to work. So we're at 95% after that jump. So you had to hold this red button down, right? So you just hold this red button down and see now it's blue. So you hold that down. And that, you have to wait till this clicks till it's green. So it's blue right now and then you hold this down and then it'll turn green when you're ready to jump. So it's green. So you just gotta get it when it's green and that's how it'll work. So after we could start that truck from a dead stop, so basically that truck was completely dead. Like it probably had 2 to 4 volts, okay? This thing got that battery to start up, which is pretty awesome and impressive to be able to get a truck that dead to start, especially that big of a truck. That's a 454 C10 truck. So that's pretty decent for this, especially how this is a bulky item, okay? So this isn't like a tiny little jump start. Like I have some of these that are half this size, and you can use them on cars, but not big trucks. So I'm gonna review this as probably like a 9 out of 10, maybe even a 9.1 out of 10, because this particular unit has everything you need. I mean, it's got your light, it's got an SOS, it's got USBs to where you can charge your other items. I mean, it pretty much has everything. The only reason I wouldn't give this a 10 out of 10 is because some of the other units I have either have like an air compressor or they have some other little cool things that you can use with this that this doesn't have, but that doesn't take away from the fact that this is an actual amazing jump starter. I would highly recommend it to anybody that's looking one for a great price. We will put an Amazon link down in the description below so you guys can purchase this and have it directly shipped to your home. But in all reality, this is a great jump starter. Now, the one thing I can tell you about this particular unit that I like the most, okay, I'm going to give you my 3 things that I like about this the most. 1, the display is very big and bright. Some of the other ones, they're smaller and it's hard to read. I like that it's this big and really, really bright and easy to read. And it's shaped like this, okay? Some of them are way bigger because they have an air compressor in them, and they're bulky and cumbersome, okay? So that's my number one thing I love about this, is the display and the way this is shaped, okay? My second thing is these alligator clips are heavy, heavy duty. Like, they do not feel like cheap plastic. Even though they are plastic, they do not feel cheap, and they're using very large gauge wire that are connected in here correctly. So when these crimp on here, it gets a very good connection. Some of the other ones use these really tiny alligator clips that are like this big. They're small and they're very cheap, and I wouldn't recommend those because then you're going to have problems trying to jump a very large truck with that. The other thing that I like about this is the price point and where it is at. So for a good price, you can get a great jump start that can jump a dead 454 Chevy C10 truck from the dead. Okay, so to me, that's what this is for. It's got one job, one purpose, it does it. Now, it does have the extra light, it does have the extra USBs and all those things. Those are great perks. But the one thing this thing is supposed to do, it does it great. So that's why I would highly recommend this. And those are my three things I like, is the display, the alligator clips that make it different than the other jump starts. People ask me, well, what's so different? Because I do so many of these, they're like, what's the differences? Well, cheaper alligator clips, sorry about that, alligator clips, and then smaller displays, which make it hard to read and know how, how it's charged. And some of them don't even give you a case. This is a hard shell case. So this one kind of checks off all the boxes. I'd give this a 9, 9.1. If it had an air compressor or some other little extra things, I'd probably give like a 9.5 or a 10, but I don't have anything bad to say about it, to be honest with you. So I highly recommend it. We'll put a link down below in the Amazon affiliates, so you can click on it, buy it, have it shipped directly to your home. If you guys have actually bought one of these, or you have other brands of these, comment down below, let me know what you guys think, and how you guys use them and what you guys think of all these different brands. Thank you guys for watching today.
Hey, what's up everybody? If you liked this episode, please make sure you like and subscribe to our channel. It will give you all the new content and updates on this and on our Instagram as well. So please make sure you like and subscribe.